How to add Litecoin wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive these crypto tokens on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. So to add a Litecoin wallet address to Trust Wallet app and easily receive this crypto token, follow these steps. Firstly, scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on the Manage Crypto button, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add Litecoin, you need to type Litecoin in the search bar. Be careful at this point, because here is a couple of Litecoin networks. If you choose the wrong one when sending your tokens, they may not arrive in your wallet. So make sure to select this one on the screen, then click on it and finally click Done. Now the Litecoin token is on the main page of your Trust Wallet app. To receive this crypto token from someone, click on it, then click Receive. And one way to receive Litecoin tokens is by showing the QR code to the person who will send you the crypto. Alternatively, you can also receive Litecoin crypto token by copying your Litecoin wallet address.